Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Box and welcome to the another lecture of bacteria chapter. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the bacterial cell structures and the structure is pilus. Okay, and the pilus is a singular form and if we are calling it as in the plural form then it is known as a pili. Okay, so pilus or pili, clear? So what is the structure of pilus? Okay, so if we are looking the structure of pilus, then it is a very short structure, thin structure. So just look it here, the structure of pilus, pilus की structure कैसी होती है? It is a short, okay, thin, it is a thin and hair-like structure. It is a hair-like structure, okay. सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस, द हेयर स्ट्रक्चर. हम सभी जानते हैं हेयर कैसा होता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आप देखिए कैसी होगी इसकी स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हेयर. ओके, क्लियर है? इतना पतला हो, इतना थिन होगा. ओके, सो मेनली पाइलस इज नोन एज ऑर्गन ऑफ अडेशन. सो मेनली व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ पाइलस और पिलाई? द फंक्शन ऑफ पिलाई इज व्हाट? The function of pili is what? Adhesion. Okay, adhesion. That's why we are calling this organ as a organ of adhesion. Okay, remember this, organ of adhesion. So many times examiner asks in the examination which of the following is organ of adhesion in bacterial cell. Okay, so remember the answer going to be a pilus. Okay, or pili. Clear? And this is generally also known as a fimbriae, but fimbriae is a one type of pilus. Okay, soon we are discussing this point as well. Okay, so if you are looking the structure of this is the structure of bacteria, and these long structure is flagella. Larger structure is what? Flagella. We already discussed the lecture of flagella. You can also go through with the lecture of flagella, and these blue color structure are what? Known as a pili or fimbriae, or we can say pilus. Okay, so there are two type of pilus we found. Okay, so type of pili, clear? So type of pili there are two type of pili. Okay, the first one is known as a common pili. Okay, the first one is known as a common pili, or it is also known as a adhesion pili or adhesion pili. Okay, and the second one is known as a sax pilus. Okay, sax pilus or pili we can say, clear? As well as it is also known as a conjugation pili, or we can say conjugation pili. Okay, clear? So now first we are looking the structure of common pili or adhesion pili. Okay, so the first important point is what? The pilus is basically made up of a protein. It is made up of a protein, and that protein is known as a pillin protein. So protein, they are made up of protein. Okay, and the protein name is pillin. Protein name is pillin. Remember this, this is important one. Examiner can ask question on this section. Okay, so remember this point, the protein is pillin, and it is very easy to remember. The name is pili and the name of protein is pillin. Okay, the second point is what? Common pili. So the thickness and about the how long it is. Okay, so how long it is, कितना बड़ा होता है ये, कितनी इसकी लेंथ होती है. So the length is 0.5 micrometer. Okay, and if we are talking about the thickness, okay, how much thick it is? Okay, so 10 nanometer thick. Okay, 10 nanometer thickness is the thickness of pili, or we can say pilus. Okay, so these are some important points. So the another important point of common pilus is what? We can found 1000 pilus on a bacterial cell. Okay, on a bacterial cell. Okay, so that is important point. And just look at here, common pilus is also a organ of pathogenicity. Okay, organ of pathogenicity. pathogenicity. Okay, so there are some example of bacteria like Neisseria. Neisseria is the bacteria. Okay, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Okay, Neisseria gonorrhoeae bacteria है. So these bacteria, Neisseria gonorrhoeae bacteria which having पाइलस, जिस Neisseria gonorrhoeae के पास में क्या होता है, पाइलस होता है, दैट कैन कॉज पैथोजेनिसिटी. ओके, वो क्या गोनोरिया कॉज कर सकता है. बट दे आर सम Neisseria gonorrhoeae जिनके पास में क्या पाइलस नहीं होता. द बैक्टीरिया विच डू नॉट हैव पाइलस, दे कैन नॉट कॉज पैथोजेनिसिटी. ओके, दे कैन नॉट कॉज गोनोरिया. ओके, सो pilus has a ability to cause disease, means it has a property to cause pathogenicity. Okay, this is important point. Then the another important point is it having a antigenic property. It having a antigenic property. Okay, due to this antigenic property, antibody can be produced. Okay, antibody can be produced, but this antibody are not protective. These antibody are not protective. Okay, remember this, these are not protective. Clear everyone? So these are some important point regarding the common pilus, and we found common pilus in both type of bacteria, gram positive and gram negative. So we are finding them in gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Okay, in both type of bacteria we found them. Okay everyone, now the another important property of common pilus is what? Generally we are consider this is a organ of adhesion. Generally we are considering it as a organ of adhesion. Okay, but what happened in 2010? Remember in 2010 what happened? Pseudomonas bacteria, pseudomonas bacteria. Okay, it shows a movement with the help of pilus. It show movement. Okay, clear? So it show movement. इसने movement दिखाया था, और movement कैसा था? Speedy movement. The movement was speedy. Okay, as well as horizontal movement. Okay, so after 2010 we are also considering pilus as an organ of movement, but only for the pseudomonas. Remember this, only for the pseudomonas. Generally it is considered as an organ of adhesion. Clear everyone? Now moving on the another pilus, that is known as a sex pilus or sex pili, as well as conjugation pilus. Okay, so conjugation pilus is what? A long structure. It is what? A long structure, as well as it is a tube-like structure. Okay, cylindrical, we can say cylindrical. Okay, and this is the structure which is able to make a connection between two bacteria. Okay, so this pilus is able to make connection between two bacteria. Okay, so why they are making connection between two bacteria? Okay, so how they are making connection between two bacteria? So remember this is the bacteria number 1 and this is bacteria number 2. Okay, so how they are making the connection? So just remember this is our connection, this is our conjugation pilus. This is what? A conjugation pilus. Clear? So this is what? Conjugation pilus. Clear? Now what is the function? क्या इसका function है वो हम देखते हैं. So it is a connection between two bacteria. Now in bacteria we have what? This is our nucleoid region, and these are what? Genetic material. This is what? Our genetic material. Okay, so remember this is another bacteria, so I am making genetic material with the other color. Okay, so now what is the possibility? अब क्या possibility होगी? Conjugation pilus can transfer genetic material from one bacteria to another bacteria. Conjugation pilus क्या करेगा? एक बैक्टीरिया से जो डीएनए मटेरियल है, जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, उसको क्या करेगा, ट्रांसफर करेगा, क्या करेगा, दूसरे बैक्टीरिया में ट्रांसफर करेगा। सब रेड मटेरियल, ओके, रेड मटेरियल आई मेड ऑफ डीएनए, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, सपोज दिस डीएनए इज मूव आउट फ्रॉम दिस न्यूक्लियोइड रीजन एंड देन दिस विल मूव इन दिस बैक्टीरिया, ओके। सो इस तरह से ये क्या करेगा, मूव करेगा, दिस, सो दिस इज द वे हाउ इट मूव इन द बैक्टीरिया नंबर 2, ओके। So that's why we are calling it as a sex pilus, okay, that's why we are calling it as a sex pilus, clear? So by the way of conjugation, remember, by the way of conjugation, bacteria can get the resistance, bacteria can the resistance. So what is the function of conjugation pilus? Transfer the genetic material, transfer the genetic material, okay, genetic material, clear? And the another function of it is what, that is development of resistance, development of resistance against antibiotic, okay, clear? So this is this such kind of thing create a big problem to the humans. By this way, if the bacteria is developing resistance, बैक्टीरिया अगर इस मेथड के थ्रू रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप करता है तो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, जो भी नई एंटीबायोटिक हम किसी भी ह्यूमन बीइंग को देंगे तो वो बैक्टीरिया क्या करेगा, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्जुगेशन, ओके, वो क्या करेगा, रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप कर लेगा, ओके। सो इस वजह से क्या करना पड़ता है, ह्यूमन को रेगुलरली नई नई एंटीबायोटिक सर्च करनी पड़ती है ताकि क्या हो, रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप ना हो नई नई एंटीबायोटिक के अगेंस्ट पे, ओके। सो दिस इज द वे they are developing the resistance, okay. So now the another important point about conjugation pilus is what, how much number of conjugation pilus we found in a bacteria. So we found them in a 10 number, okay. So 10 number per bacterial cell, okay, clear? So 1 to 10 we can found, clear? So this is another important point. And in which type of bacteria we found, so we found conjugation bacteria only in gram negative, only in what, gram negative, clear? So only we founding them in gram negative. In gram positive we do not found conjugation pilus, okay. ग्राम पॉजिटिव के अंदर कॉन्जुगेशन पाइलस नहीं होता है, ग्राम नेगेटिव के अंदर कॉन्जुगेशन पाइलस होता है, तो रिमेंबर दिस डिफरेंस, ओके। सो दीज आर टू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. And the another important point about the common pilus is what, we are calling it as a fimbri, okay. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं, fimbri भी बोलते हैं, okay. So this is also known as a fimbri, clear? Now we are discussing the detection, how to detect these pilus in the laboratory, okay. So now just look the detection of pilus, how we detect. So there are two method, यहाँ दो method हैं, कौन कौन से. So the first one is heme agglutination, and second one is surface pellicle, okay, surface pellicle, okay. So the first one is heme agglutination, okay. So what is heme agglutination? As we know, bacteria having pilus, common pilus having a adherence property, so there are some bacteria like E. coli, okay, E. coli, Klebsiella, okay. So these are the bacteria can able to bind with, adhere with, we can say bind or adhere with RBC, okay, RBC of like pig, horse, okay. So such kind of animals, from their RBC these bacteria can bind, okay. So there is a agglutination reaction, okay. So they can cause what, agglutination reaction, okay, agglutinate. Due to this agglutination reaction we are able to detect them, we are able to detect these type of bacteria, okay. Now the another point is what, surface pellicle, okay. So in surface pellicle what happened, this is suppose this what, So this is what a bacterial broth, okay, bacterial broth, okay, broth को हम लैब में बनाते हैं, we are making broth in lab, and this is the slant, okay, this is what slant, clear, okay. So what happen in this surface pellicle, they are some aerobic bacteria, they are some aerobic bacteria, okay, aerobic bacteria. So these bacteria, these aerobic bacteria are adhered to near the slant, okay, near the slant where they, so these bacteria, now consider these are the bacteria which are adhered to this slant. So by making this structure is known as a pellicle. We can say this is what a pellicle on the surface, that's why we are calling it as a pellicle, okay. So यहाँ पर ये कुछ बैक्टीरिया क्या हो गए, स्लांट से अडेयर कर गए, ओके. तो स्लांट से अडेयर कर गए, तो यहाँ पर जो एयर है, एयर में क्या है, न्यूट्रिशेंट है, मतलब कि हमको क्या मिल जाएगा, O2 मिल जाएगी, ओके, एयर मिल जाएगी एज वेल एज न्यूट्रिशन. इस एरिया पर जो भी न्यूट्रिशन होगा, ओके, न्यूट्रिशन होगा, वो भी इस बैक्टीरिया को क्या मिल जाएगा, ये सारे जो भी बैक्टीरिया हैं इनको क्या मिल जाएगा, न्यूट्रिशन मिल जाएगा और एयर मिल जाएगी, ओके. दैट्स वाई एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया, जितने भी एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया है, ओके, दैट्स वाई aerobic bacteria are adhered to the bacterial broth slant, okay. So this is known as a surface pellicle. So these are the two method of detection of the pilus, okay everyone. So I hope by this lecture you are able to understand about the pilus. We discuss the structure of the pilus, type of the pilus, as well as detection methods of the pilus, okay. So there are some question which is asked in the examination. So here I discuss some question with this section. So give the answer of these questions.
Hello everyone, discussing the question. Question number 1. What is the function of pili in bacterial cell? A. It is the organ of motion. B. It is the organ of respiration. C. It is the organ of reproduction. D. It is the organ of addition. Question number 2. Bacterial cell pili is made up of which type of protein? A. Pillin. B. Flagellin. C. Both of these, and D. None of these. Question number 3. Gram positive bacterial cell contain A. Adhesion pilus. B. Sex pilus. C. Both of these, and D. None of these. Question number 4. Function of bacterial cell pili is A. Adhesion pilus have antigenic property. B. Sex pilus have ability to transfer genetic material. C. Both of these, and D. None of these. Question number 5. Bacterial cell pili can be detected by A. Hemagglutination method. B. Surface pellicle method. C. Both of these, and D. None of these. So I already discussed answer of all of these question in the lecture. So if you have any doubt, then go through with the lecture again and answer in comment box.
And like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel.